Welcome, property managers! Whether you've been in the industry for decades or you're just getting familiar with the evolving landscape, one thing is clear. The property management market is shifting rapidly. Today, we're going to discuss a critical strategy that has been revolutionizing the industry, ancillary income, and how technology is making it easier than ever to tap into this growing revenue stream. If you've been managing properties for a while, you know that traditional revenue models have often relied heavily on rent. However, over the past decade, the focus has shifted towards ancillary income, which now accounts for a significant portion of many property managers' bottom lines. Studies show that nearly 30% of all property management revenue in the US now comes from ancillary services like parking, pet care, and other resident-focused offerings. So what's driving this growth? The answer lies in innovation and technology. Property managers are no longer reliant on manual processes or multiple third-party vendors. Instead, advanced platforms are streamlining operations and maximizing revenue by offering popular services like cleaning and maintenance, all under one umbrella. These tech innovations are designed to help property managers like you make the most of your time and resources. Research indicates that properties offering bundled services through centralized platforms have seen up to a 15% increase in net operating income. What's more, these services can often be implemented without raising rent, providing value to both residents and property owners alike. At Amenify, we specialize in making this process seamless for property managers. Our platform is designed to offer a wide array of high-demand services that residents love, while creating recurring revenue streams for your property. Whether it's cleaning, pet services, or even handyman work, we take care of the logistics so you can focus on managing your community.